let's open this package. Looks like ayun, ay ang ganda. Para sa ay, nakabag pa, ha? That's nice. It's a helmet for his scooter. Very good. Oh, nice.
Nice. Ganda. So nice. Spider-Man. Spider-Man helmet.
It's a good one. Here, protection.
It's an adjustment for the head.
And this one is for the here down. Okay, that's one. With the
Yeah.
bag here. And we got another one here. This, ganito mag-open pala nito. Ganun. Ayun, dami pala sa loob. Unahin natin to. Ito. This is a alarm.
Alarm disc lock.
Yes, it's an alarm disc lock.
Huh?
So you can use this to lock your motorcycle here, your scooter. So pag
Siso.
ano to, gagalawin nila yan at first.
Okay.
First alarm, parang gaganon lang siya, warning. Pero pag pinilit mo talaga siyang buksan, dun saka siya iingay ng bonggang-bongga. Yun na.
Oh, nice.
Ito yung parang palatandaan na, hello, nakalak pa ako sa baba. Ay, ganon. So, may battery siya. Ilan ang battery? Yun.
6
6
pack
batteries.
of battery.
Then you have the keys, which is like system something that they cannot duplicate it. And this one is the pouch of this one if you don't use it. So this, of course, the manual, the battery, the key, and this one you have to like
Alarm disc lock.
this is like the pouch.
And the pouch for
Yeah,
that.
if like you don't use it, so you put them all here, blah blah blah. The key, of course, you separate the key. There you go. And put them together here.
Short again. That's the box.
That's the box.
Okay,
I
next.
still have one more. Ta-da! Oh my god, this is quite heavy.
Oh,
This
Krypton. What's the brand?
Kryptonite
Kryptonite.
for Superman. So
This is a heavy duty.
this
lock.
is secured.
You see? Yeah, secure. Solid.
Solid. Hindi to maano lang ng simpleng ano. Very safe.
The same, and then there's also here steel.
This one is, I would say, not that much.
But it will take
But
time to
this
remove.
is the one. The
Solid.
black one. The solid on this one. This is like, it takes them hours. So you have to, what's this? Bicycle? Anti-theft offer. You have to. Then, this is the last one.
Another one?
This is the
Oh.
AirTag.
AirTag for GPS. Okay, mahit. Okay, AirTag. Okay, nice one.
For the GPS. So this
Can you
is
check
how
now?
to open it. You have to pull this one up. Then from there you can pull it. is very useful. There you go.
Let me see.
That's the air tag. It's my first time to see it.
Oh, air tag.
Ganyan pala itsura ng air tag.
Air tag. If you lost something, keys, car keys, luggage,
Just put this one with it.
you can
Oh,
put
there.
this one.
It's very simple. Just throw this one there.
That's
Just
it.
put it.
Okay. Another one, last.
Nothing. That's all.
Okay, that's
So
all.
we got this helmet with the bag, this air tag, this lock,
Look.
and where's the other one?
No, it's not
The
Jitaran.
big one.
No, it's still not.
It's still
Maybe
on
tomorrow.
its way, maybe tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
So we're keeping this to keep his scooter safe because there are some problems here. So
So,
this will help him keep his scooter secure.
safety secured.
Hopefully.
Okay.
So then, thank you. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Goodbye, everyone. See you then. This is mine.